Guys, what's up? This is Dr. Hassan Mohammed. Welcome to our online clinic. If you are new here, try to subscribe. After subscribing, click on the bell icon to get updated drop our next video. Now welcome. Now it's more than a year when we have been living with this pandemic, which is the coronavirus, and now they are positive, they are good news, which is the vaccine. Now the vaccine is available to some countries and they have started taking the vaccine. So this video is for you for me to enlighten you on the vaccine, all you need to know about the vaccine and what you should do and don't do after taking the vaccine. Okay, so let's get started. Now first you have to make sure that you are actually vaccinated, or the vaccine is actually admitted to you, understand? So now we have seen some videos in which the vaccine is not actually administered to the person. Either the person is just the vaccine is not properly administered, or the syringe is not that working, understand? Or the syringe is kind of flexible in which when it comes in contact with the skin of the person, it just go in and the syringe doesn't go inside the person, but the needle of the syringe just go inside the syringe and not in the skin of the person. And also we have seen that some videos in which once the person is being vaccinated, the person administering the vaccine doesn't administer the content of the vaccine into the person. So once you have been vaccinated, make sure that, I know sometimes it might be painful and you tend to like close your eyes so you don't feel the pain, but please, this is for your health. So try to open your eyes and look at what they are doing and make sure that the vaccine is being administered into you, and you are saying that and because most time it's done through the arm, you understand? So make sure that it's being administered so you can see that, okay, yes, I've been vaccinated. Then you should know that the dosage is 0.3, you understand? So if you have a vaccine, the syringe, this dosage is 0.3, which is like a little, like small, you understand? So once you are being vaccinated, make sure that you see that it is the content is driven into your system, you understand? So make sure that you can see that, and to make sure that truly you are vaccinated, you understand? So after you have been vaccinated, there are symptoms. You should have some symptoms, and these symptoms you have are also symptoms of the coronavirus, you understand? But you should know that the vaccine doesn't give you the coronavirus, it's just the symptoms, and I will tell you the reason why you are feeling those symptoms. Now sometimes you might have soreness of the site of administration. Now soreness means something like an injury, or like a kind of swollen area where you are being injected or vaccinated. Now too, you feel some kind of mild fever in which you have, because fever simply means increase in the body temperature. You have mild fever, then chills, maybe you are cold, then having headaches and fatigue, tired. Then you might also have muscular pains or muscular aches. Now these symptoms you are having are positive. It means that your antibodies actually working with the vaccine, in which your body is trying to create antibodies against the virus. And so it's positive. It doesn't mean you're having corona. No, it means that your immune system is actually working with the vaccine in your system, you understand? Now after you have felt it, or after you're having this symptom, but some persons don't feel the symptoms, so it's not for everyone. But if you are feeling that, there's something you should do. First, you should take a lot of fluid. You need a lot of water. Taking a lot of water, you need rest, enough rest properly, because even those that are corona positive, they also have to take rest, take a lot of fluid, the same thing. So it's the same symptoms they are feeling that you'll also be feeling, but you are not positive. It's just your immune system reacting to the vaccine in it, you understand? So you need a lot of water, a lot of rest. And if you feel the headache is much, you can just take paracetamol and you'll be fine. The symptoms doesn't last more than a day or two, so you'll be fine after a day or two. But make sure that after you have been vaccinated, make sure you still use your nose masks, you still keep your social distancing, you still wash your hands and use your hand sanitizers, because if you are after your first dose, there are still possibilities that you can still be infected, because after taking the first dose, it's not active in your body after 2 weeks, you understand, of taking the vaccine. So you have to still keep social distancing, wash your hands regularly, use your sanitizer, keep social distancing. The same thing you have been doing now. The vaccine is just like a trial and error just okay, let's see if after taking the vaccine, if it can actually fight the virus, understand? So it's not an 100% guarantee that it will, but we hope that after everyone have been vaccinated, the virus can just go away, you understand? So we can go back to our normal lives. Now, if the video have been okay, if the video have been good, please try to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and see you next time. Bye bye.